Hi viewers, welcome to Market Maddie. In this video, we are going to discuss about how the US market is going to be and all the three indices Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500, how they are going to be today, and along with that, the ETFs of Dow, Nasdaq, DIA, QQQ, and SBI, how they are going to be trend-wise performing today. We're just going to discuss in this. We have already got this back. Fed chairman, this one is comments on interest rate cut, and all are feeling that it is already priced in. Is it really priced in, or still there is some strength in the market? Let us see in this video. Now, first, let us check Dow Jones how it's going to be. Dow on yesterday on Friday, it crossed 40,841, which we have been telling for the last 4-5 days, and it closed at 41,171, up by almost 462 points. Now it is only 200 points away from 52 weeks high of 41,376. Will it touch 41,376 today? Dow, will it touch 52 weeks high or not? That is to be seen today. If not today, tomorrow it has to touch. That's what we feel. Well, let us see if, as long as it is above 40,841, it will try to touch to 52 weeks high. So now Dow futures are up by 16 points, as it is just only away from 200 points. Will this happen or not? That is to be watched by all of us today. So this is the chart what you are seeing about Dow Jones, this one, Dow Jones chart, this one. And here also the same I have already mentioned, where it is closed, and when the uptrend started from 40,530, and it is it is above that only. So let us hope that it will try to shoot up. So it will not be down as long as it is above 40,841. If it is 40,841, it will certainly try to go up to 52 weeks high. This is about Dow Jones chart and Dow Jones this one. And now let us see about the charts and heavyweights of Dow Jones, the stocks, how they are going to be. Out of 9 weighted stocks, and the 8 are in uptrend, and only Microsoft is in downtrend. So will it cope up or not? That is to be seen today. Otherwise, all the 8 stocks are in uptrend, and they are in a mode to push Dow upside only. So let us see whether, as I again told you, whether this is going to touch 52 weeks high or not. Let us see Dow Jones UTF DIA. DIA, it closed on it opened on the 23rd at 409.7, touched 412.32, touched then high, then low of 408, and closed at 401.53. Now Dow, the DIA, if it stays above 408, today it will try to go to 414 and 417. So whether it goes to 414 and 417 or not, that is to be watched by us today after the market opens. Now let's see how the Nasdaq is going to be today. Nasdaq futures are up by almost 145 points, up by 45 points, and Nasdaq closed on Friday at 17,772. It opened, and it touched high of 17,941 and low of 17,700, and closed at 17,877, almost up by 258 points. It touched 258 points on 23rd, that is Friday. So now question is whether it is going to cross 17,926 or not. That is to be checked, because we have been telling for the last few days that 17,926 is very key level for Nasdaq Composite. It has come many a time, touched it, and immediately went back, gone down actually. So now today, will it close and stay above or not? That is to be watched today, 17,926. If it opens up, if opening itself is above 17,926, if it stays above 17,926, it will try to go to 18,044. That is to be checked whether it is going to happen or not. So this is about Nasdaq status as of now. And here the question is, it is the chart of Nasdaq. Already it is mentioned yearly. As long as Nasdaq is above 17,520, it is an uptrend only. If 17,926, if it crosses, then uptrend it will become very strong, and it will also try to go to 52 week high, that is almost 18,600 or something. The market movement will be very fast after 17,926. That is, we watch it today whether it is going to be there or not. And let's see the stocks part of it. NVIDIA, we have results of that today, and results will decide the trend of it. But as of now, it is an uptrend. It will try to go to 133. And AAPL, that is Apple, it is above 240, 224, that is T-share. It is above already. So if it opens up, then it will try to go to 229. And other stocks, AVGO, it is strong and it will try to go to 168. Amazon, it is try to go to, it is at 177. If it breaks 177, it will go down. Otherwise, it will try to go up to 178 and almost 180. And only Meta is in downtrend today on Friday, and it is at level of bouncing. If it almost 168 or something, it will try to bounce back from that level. Let us see whether Meta will bounce back today or not. So watch especially Nasdaq 17,926 level. If it is above, if it opens above and stay away, if current traded price is above opening, then it will try to rush up. Let us see what will happen today after opening. This is Nasdaq, this one, and now of Nasdaq, that is QQQ, how it's going to be. Okay, as I told you, many people trade QQQ options. So what we are giving here is going to be very, very helpful to them. And on 23rd, QQQ opened at 479.2 and it touched a high of 482 and low is 475 and closed at 480. So trend of QTR for QQQ for today is, as we have seen, it closed at 480. If it is above 476, as long as it is above 476, QQQ will try to reach 486 and more. So as long as it is not breaking 476, always try to be on the buy side for QQQ. This is about Nasdaq, this one. Now let us see S&P 500, how it's going to be. S&P 500 is in a very strong mood. Actually, futures are up by almost 7 points. And upturn started for S&P 500 at 5531, and after that it started up continuously, and it is supposed to go to 5659. So it is almost going to near to that, and it is trying to come back. On Friday, yesterday, that is on Friday, S&P 500 opened at 5602, touched a high of 5641, low of 5585, and closed at 5634. Now today, whether it is going to cross 5659 or not, that is to be checked. S&P 500, whether it is going to cross 5659 or not, that is to be checked. On opening, even if it opens about at 56.45, 56.47 like that, even if it opens, it will certainly try to go and touch 56.59. Let us see whether that will happen or not. And now let us check the ETF of, there is a chart of S&P 500 where you are seeing the trend of the stock. See, most of the time, though some red candles are cropping up, it is forming, but immediately it is trying to shoot up and trying to rush up. S&P 500 has got strength and it is supposed to go to 5659. I hope this will happen either today or tomorrow. And now let us see the ETF of S&P 500, that is SPY. So SPY is ETF uptrend started from 551, and on Friday it's opened at 559.6. It went up to 563 high, low at 557 and closed at 562. And today as it is closed at 562, if it stays above 562, then it will try to go to 572 and 578. Let us see whether that will happen or not. This is all about US markets and general strength of US markets. If we are seeing options, that means SPY and QQQ and other things, if we are interested in doing short triangle of, if you are staying in USA and interested in doing short triangle of this ETFs, you can just write to us. We try to guide you by giving the range of the ETFs. by giving the range of ETFs so that you can sell call, CE and PE, you can sell call and a put and wait for the day and make some money out of it. So subscribe to Market Madi if you are happy with us. Thank you.